What's up guys? I have a quick and short video for you today. I have the Series 6 Apple Watch here and I'm going to be doing the blood oxygen monitor. I apologize if my hand moves. I can only do so much here to keep it from moving. So we're going to go into the blood oxygen app, which I do not know. I think it's this one. This is literally the first time I've used it. So opening it up for the first time, this is what you'll see. It says blood O2. Here are some tips that can help you take a good measurement. Next, make sure your watch is not too low on your wrist. Your watch should be snug but comfortable. Okay. Keep your watch facing up and try not to move. Resting your wrist on a table can help. Okay, I'll probably do that. I'm going to adjust the camera. Okay, in hindsight, I should have done this in the first place. So done. And we're going to start. I'm going to leave it resting. Looks like about 15 seconds to do this. Alright, looks like I have a blood oxygen of 98%. And you can click the info button to get more information about what that means. And this will all get saved into your health app. And you hit done, and you're finished. And you can do another one. It tells you 98% a minute ago. You can do another one if you'd like. But that's it. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. And make sure you subscribe and be on the eye for an ECG video. And check out the unboxing video that I posted for this as well. Thanks for watching.